Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight of Untrue Legends. Today we are here in Selhurst in London Borough of Croydon, South London. So without further ado, let's take off. Alright, so we're going up to the max height and just zip around this area and just see what's down here in Selhurst in London Borough of Croydon. So yep. Let's go towards this area down here and go towards the main area of Selhurst. We'll go towards the roundabout area. And then we'll do a 360 photo. Alright, let's do a 360 photo in this area. Alright, 360 photo is now complete. Let's just zip around here, Selhurst. So yeah, we're in London Borough of Croydon. Done one drone flight in Lambeth, one here in Croydon, two here in Croydon, sorry. Done one in Thornton Heath, now I'm here in Selhurst. Yeah, nice little area to fly. I've flown near here in Thornton Heath. And now I come here to Selhurst. I've done a drone flight here before in Norwood Junction, which is not far from here as well. Let's just go down towards this area. This little road here. Nice sunny day here. What train is that? A red train. Selhurst Depot's down here as well. Which I got shot of that when I flew in Norwood Junction. It's not far from here. Norwood Junction is really close to here. Let's get a shot of this bus. Seems to have gotten a bit cloudy in this area, so let's go towards here, Selhurst Depot. Look at that, it's a nice and open area. Selhurst Depot. Why is it cloudy down here? Must be a cloud in that area, a small little cloud. It's a nice little shot here. I'm looking at the sky and a big cloud has just appeared. I didn't check that, I should have waited. It's too late now, we're up in the sky now. Should have waited before I take off. Literally, it got cloudy when I was flying in Thornton Heath. And then as soon as after I landed, it actually got sunny properly after that, straight away. And it stayed sunny for the whole time. And as soon as I took off here, look, now again it's cloudy. What are the chances? It was sunny the whole time of me coming here, and now it just gets cloudy now. Worst time for it to get cloudy. I should have waited for it to pass. It's going to pass soon, but I don't know how long it's going to be like that for. You can't really predict it. Worst time I took off. I mean, we did get a little bit of a sunny shot, but I wanted the rest of the shot to be sunny. This is the industrial area of Selhurst. That is pretty, not the best. It's cloudy now. Look at that, that's the shot of Croydon town centre. I think this cloud's, it's going the long way. I mean, I thought it was going to clear soon, but it's not. It's looking like it's going the long way down, because that cloud's like wide, but then the path where it's going seems like to be going the long way, long route. I don't know, it might last for the whole drone flight. Plus, I didn't charge this drone fully because I don't know what happened. Yeah, As soon as I finished the drone flight in Streatham, I put it on my fast charging power bank, 30 watts, it was fast charging. And I don't know what happened, it just stopped charging. I think it got really hot. Like when I was finished with my Thornton Heath drone flight, I realised it stopped charging. I'm not sure why. And I realised it was really hot. I think because it was a hot day, the power bank got hot and I think it stopped charging for some reason. And then I couldn't get to charge again. I don't know what happened. And then I put it in charge again and it finally did charge, but it started charging slower. And I don't know why, it was charging really slowly. So I just decided to take off. So it almost finished charging, but it didn't finish. I don't know what's up with that power bank. And it's cooled down as well. I don't know what happened. I hope no irreversible damage has happened. Plus it did overheat like that before on the previous drone flights. Because it's in my bag, and when it's in my bag, it's in the enclosed area. And it's hot weather as well. So you've got Lidl over here. Got a Legacy. I don't know what's up with this cloud. It's still there. Should I land my drone and take off again? There's no point now. Like the whole reason why I do these drone flights, I wait for the sunny day and this happens. You can't predict it, literally. See, all the grass is all brown. Because like I said, we had the longest dry spell. And that's why it's like that. It's a thin band of cloud basically. It's like, it's not completely cloudy. It's just a thin band of cloud. It was a thin band of cloud the whole time, but then it just got thicker right now. You can't really tell until it just happens. It's like a sheet of clouds basically. Let's go down towards there. So we've got the Crystal Palace transmitting tower down there. That looks so far. From my perspective, it looks so close, but it's actually really far away. It's really far away. Our drone will no way be able to make that. We won't have enough range to make that. I mean, in some countries like you can do that because the drone has FCC mode, and in FCC mode you can go bare far. Like you can make it easily. Some people easily go towards that, but that'll be too far. We're not aiming to go that far anyway. We're just gonna come back now. Yeah, weather's just gone a bit crap, innit? See, when I took off, it was sunny. And another thing is that my battery didn't fully charge. Power bank messed me up. Completely messed me up, bruv. It's a Baseus power bank as well. No, Baseus are decent power banks. I don't know why it let me down. It never let me down for the whole time I had it, to be honest. I had it for like a couple months now. I had it for almost a year actually, the Baseus. And yeah, it did really well. It charges fast, good quality power bank. And I made a review on that as well, but then it let me down recently. Just when I was charging it like a few days ago, it wasn't charging for some reason. I don't know why. But I charged it in a non-power delivery charger, and then it charged, which is weird. I'm not sure why. And then after that, it had no problem. But now this, I don't know what happened. Maybe the heat done something to it. I'm not sure what it is, but there should be no reason for the power bank to just stop working, even if heat did mess it up. And it shouldn't get that hot as well. It should have a thermal throttling if it does get too hot. And I think that's what happened with my power bank. That's why it stopped charging. It didn't stop charging. I think it went to lower voltage. The voltage was reduced to like I don't know, like 10 watts only, when it should be getting 30 watts. So it does 12 volts, but then it just goes back to 5 volts at 10 amps, and then that just, not 10 amps, 2 amps, sorry. I was trying to say 10 watts, but then I said 2 amps by accident. What's this? We've got a tower over there near the town centre of Croydon. I'm gonna go towards this area. Look at that, nice shot in London Borough of Croydon. Let's get a quick shot of that area.
Max altitude reached.
Let's go down there. It's getting sunny now, which I appreciate. It's sunny. Look at that nice little house here. Not a house, but a block of flats. Got West Croydon down here. We're not far from West Croydon. It's literally around the corner. We've got that big tower, which I got a shot of already. Sun's come out now, which is good. Got a shot of that bus going there, going down there, going down there in there.
Max altitude.
Nice and sunny now. Let's just come back.
Altitude reached.
Keep getting that max altitude reach because we keep hitting it. Keep hitting the limit, upper limit that we can fly in the UK, just 400 feet. I mean, I can make it higher than that, but then, of course, when you fly our drones in the UK, in most countries, you can only fly a maximum 400 feet or 120 meters legally. Because if you fly higher than that, I don't know if they'll get alarmed or because it might be illegal. I mean, it is because you're flying where normal aircraft is flying. I mean, I've been flying with drones for like 2 years now. It's crazy. It's like a nice little hobby. I've been doing a lot of drone flights in 2026. I've been doing it mostly in 2026. It's actually, I actually find it really amazing to get shots of different areas of London, different areas of the UK, or different places. I want to travel a lot more. I want to make travel videos as well, and then also you do drone flights. I've done every corner of London. Every corner.
Battery level is low. Aircraft will return to the home
Alright.
port in 10 seconds.
Let's land the drone now. Just get a shot down this area down there. It's not too windy, it's like really calm winds with calm little gusts. It's alright to fly in this weather, but then the weather let me down a little bit. It is what it is, you know. Is that the drone? Can you hear that? It uses a lot of power. You can hear it. The RPM go higher because it's windy. I mean, it's windy, but it's like not too strong. But it's enough to like go at a decent speed. Let's follow this car going down here. Alright, let's follow this red car and we'll just land it. Land the drone. Alright, let's land it. Nice little drone flight here in London Borough of Croydon. Let's record it. Let's land it, we don't want to make the voltage too low. Land it right here, so you can hand grab it. All right, so that was my amazing little drone flight here in Selhurst in London Borough of Croydon, in West London, South London. I hope you enjoyed this drone flight, and yeah guys, I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.